wana slide sana. Oh Wizo, story ya Mlamua, Eric Omondi, Diana na Willy Paul, unaonaje? Kwani mmetumwa? Mnataka kunishikanisha na ngori zenyu? Listen, most of you people don't support talent, you support popularity. And what you think is equal to success, likes, views, followers and etc. To see talent is a gift, my man. It's an excitement like no other. But most of you all can't see talent if clout is not attached to it. People are blind and stupid, lakini mnajifanya mkorada. People are sheep. They are not interested in quality. They are interested in belonging to a certain group, to a certain crowd. Unadigi? My artist, clout is a disease. All you have to do is just be you and be an asset to the culture. Kwani ni kesho. Don't sell your human intensity for online attention. Thank you. 58, the Born Champ. Boom.